Hey, what is up? We're in my warehouse on this cold and dreary November evening, and I want to talk about some videos I made about 8 months ago. They were Dollar Tree videos, and between two of them, they got 1 million views. I guess more if you count all the videos, but there's two big ones. And because of this exposure, I've been seeing a lot of comments from people, comments that you and I would call shithead comments. Well, they're getting ripped off. No one's buying this. You're a liar. Some combination of those complaints. I want to approach those people, or at least make a video for them, and say, okay, maybe you're not a total shithead. I think you are. Maybe you're not. Maybe this is a good faith question, and I'm just being a little bit too cynical or rude or whatever it is. I will answer you now. Here are the reasons why people buy stuff on Amazon if it's available at the Dollar Tree. The first thing is that they can't get it. Are there many Dollar Trees in Nome, Alaska? No, there's not. These little towns in the middle of nowhere, maybe it is worth the person living there to spend $6 more to get it the next day. The second reason is going to be similar to the first reason, and it's that they can't get it. You know, maybe they're incapacitated, maybe they have 2 broken legs. The third reason would be that it's discontinued and no one else can get it, so it actually is worth that much because the demand outweighs the supply. Alternatively, it might not have to do with value at all. It could just be the person has an Amazon Prime subscription and they're paying 40 bucks a year or 100 bucks a year, whatever the hell it is, I don't even know anymore. And they feel obligated to use it when they can. They say, oh, well, I can either buy it for $2 plus $4 shipping and get it in 7 days, or I can get it tomorrow for $7. And out of that $7, obviously, they understand that it's a huge premium to Amazon, but it justifies somehow their overall larger purchase of an Amazon Prime annual subscription. Those really are the reasons why. It's going to come down to those reasons, and if you don't see that, I don't know what else to tell you. Products don't have an intrinsic value, nothing really does, so it's what you can get it for. It's, okay, I want this thing and I'm willing to give up this much money if I can get it in 1 day. I'm willing to give up less money if I can get it in 7 days, or whatever it is. Everyone is always making their own assessments of what things are worth, and we as entrepreneurs are just trying to find the intersections of supply and demand where our cost is, I guess you'd say, beneath it in this model, and the gap between our cost and where supply and demand meets would be profit. That's how selling things works. This video is short, simple, succinct, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, don't be a shithead. It's bad for everyone.